It was Jackal? I don't know.
Oh, scary. I think he's going for scary.
Oh, yeah, Skark. Skark. It was Skark.